Adding a phone is a very straightforward process. All we're going to do is we're going to press the phone button on the bottom and we're just going to press add phone.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
Now you're going to make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on your phone, and from there on the very bottom, as you can see, we've got Ford Transit Connect, which is shown up. We're just going to press that.
Confirm that the pin displayed on sync matches the pin displayed on your device.
Okay, so it's given us a message. So we're looking to make sure that these numbers are the same. So they're the same. We're going to hit pair on your phone and yes on the screen.
For your safety, please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
Okay, so it's connected to the phone. Now, it also is asking us, do you want to allow contacts and favorites to sync? We absolutely want to make sure that we do that. And the big reason why is because we want our contacts to automatically download to the screen. Next up, we've also got our 911 assist. So I always recommend to make sure the 911 assist is turned on. And the reason why is because if you're ever in an accident with your phone turned on and this function turned on, the phone will automatically, or the vehicle I should say, will automatically dial 911 for you and automatically contact download. We absolutely want to make sure we do that. Hit finish, and as you can see, we're set up. So we can look at my contacts, my phone, we can change phones if we're running off of multiple phones, look at my text messages, things like that. So very, very straightforward. In order to be able to disconnect the phone, all we're going to do is go to settings, and actually before we do, let's jump into apps for a second. So as you can see, there are certain mobile apps that will work through this middle screen. So one of the nice ones, we've got LiveX Live, Spotify, things like that will all work through this middle screen. So rather than having to navigate through your phone, really, really useful. Moving into our settings, going into phone. From there, we can either view devices, set ringtones, and a number of other things. To delete a device, all we're going to do is select on the device, either disconnect or completely remove. So let's just hit remove. Yes. As you can see, we are now disconnected and the phone is fully deleted from that Sync 3 system.